Get acquainted with the 2018 Porsche Macan. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a stylish Macan that brings legendary driving dynamics and crossover convenience to every journey. Powerful, smooth, controlled, and resolute through the corners, this intuitively responsive luxury SUV offers the versatility you need and the sports sedan excitement you crave. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, power liftgate, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel the joy of driving pleasure when you're in this superbly crafted Macan. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.